નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, this is part 1 of our new chapter. Yes, this is a part 1, that means new chapter is starting, and the name of the new chapter is what? Does it look the same? And it is 5th chapter. Does it look the same? Or let me tell you, see, this chapter is going to be very interesting chapter. Why? Because in this chapter we are going to perform many activities. In fact, in this chapter there are many activities are there, and hence it will be very interesting for you. So let's start our new chapter, and that is, does it look the same? And the first topic is what? Let's make pattern from a drop of color. Let's make pattern from a drop of color. Before starting this, let me ask you, did you keep your textbook with you? Is it with you like me? Are you on the page number 71? Are you on the page number 71? If you are not, then bring your textbook, open your textbook, page number 71. So let's start our new chapter. Okay? See, in the first one, a girl made these two patterns. Okay? So let's see, first of all, let me read this, then after we will perform this activity. Okay? So here, I have made this pattern from a drop of color. You can make them too. Here, she did make this pattern from the drop of color, and we also can. Now, how to go for that? Make your pattern. Read, make your pattern. First of all, let's perform this activity. See, first of all, take a piece of paper. Now, fold it into half. Fold it into half. Then after what you will do, put a drop of color, or we can say ink, onto this sheet. But it should be in the middle of the sheet, okay? In that middle part, in that middle line. So let me put a drop, okay? Now fold it, and once again fold it into another half, and then press it. Let me press this. See, we will find a beautiful pattern into this. Okay? Let's see how this pattern looks like. Can you see this pattern? Okay. Let's make another pattern. Once again, let me fold once this paper. Okay. Now, let me put a drop of ink onto this. Okay. Now, let me do like this only one fold. What happens? Let's see. Now there will be a pattern. Let's see. How does it look like? See, a beautiful pattern is there. Can you see that pattern? Isn't it? Now, actually, this pattern is into two mirror halves. See, this pattern is into two mirror halves. See, if I cut this pattern into half, let me cut this. See how beautiful it looks like, isn't it? Let me cut this. Then if we cut this, then it will be into two equal half. Can you see this two equal half? And if we will see, this is, see, two half are there. Now if I will see this one into the mirror, this one into the mirror, then it will look like in the mirror, in this mirror you can look like this one. Okay, see, now look at this. Now look into the mirror, this part, look into the mirror. You will find in the mirror like this part. So both this part are a mirror part. This is a mirror half of this one. Okay, so we have seen that how to get this mirror half. Now perform this activity at your home also. Let's perform once more. Let's do this once more. Once more, I am going to fold this one. Let me fold this. Okay. First of all, see, this is you will also perform at your home. Okay. First of all, क्या करना है? एक फोल्ड करना है, एक पेपर को, प्लेन पेपर लेना है, उसको फोल्ड कर लेना है. ठीक है. अब क्या करना है? Put a drop of color or ink. If you have color, no problem. And if you have nothing with you, then what you will do? Take a small amount of water and put some haldi into this. तो पीला कलर हो जाएगा. ओके, कोई भी कलर आप ले सकते हैं. Then what you will do? Let me put a drop of ink onto this. Okay, sorry, one more drop have dropped. I dropped one more drop. Now let's see, and let me fold this one once again. So I go for twice, the fold twice. Okay. Now let's see how does it look like. See this pattern. Can you see this beautiful pattern? Don't look this drop. Do not look this one. Look this one only, the middle pattern. Okay. Can you see this pattern? So this way you also be able to go for this pattern at your home also. And this pattern, like me, you also will going to perform this activity at least twice or thrice. Okay, so that way you also will be able to prepare such kind of these patterns into your paper. And let me tell you, see, this part is a mirror half of this part. Okay, so we come to know what is mirror half. Mirror half. See, in this chapter, this mirror half, you must understand this mirror half. It is very, very important for you to understand mirror half. See, let me do once again. Let me steer it from the middle. Okay. So both of these, this one is a mirror half of this one. How is it so? Let me show you. If there is a mirror, then this part you can see into the mirror. Look into the mirror. I hope you must be able to see into the mirror. शायद आपको दिख रहा होगा मिरर में. अगर नहीं दिख रहा है, I don't know whether you are able to see or not. लेकिन अगर आपको नहीं दिख रहा है, then you will do it at your home. आपको पता चल जाएगा. ठीक है? तो आप कैसे करेंगे? Like this and look into this one. ठीक है, तो ये जो मिरर में दिखेगा वो कैसा दिखेगा? लाइक दिस वन. ऐसा ही दिखेगा मिरर में, दूसरे पार्ट जैसा. दैट इज व्हाई दिस बोथ पार्ट आर मिरर हाफ ऑफ ईच अदर. दिस बोथ पार्ट आर मिरर हाफ ऑफ ईच अदर. ओके, से लाइक this both part. Okay, so we have seen how to perform this activity. Now today we are not going to do anything more than this. Just you understand what are mirror half and perform this activity 2 to 3 times. Okay. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.